upcoming tax changes on your YouTube earnings. Is it a bad news or is it a good news? Now, I'm gonna show you guys today kung paano natin i-update or i-manage ang ating tax information. So, please stay tuned.
Hey Dynamiters! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So let's dive in now. So first, makikita natin lahat ng YouTube creators na padalhan ng update ni YouTube regarding this upcoming tax changes sa ating YouTube earnings. So nag-reach out sila sa atin so that you will be informed that this tax info needs to be provided on or before May 31st because effective June 1st, effective na po yung pag-tax nila sa lahat ng earnings natin na kinikita galing sa views na nakukuha natin from US. So the new update will enable YouTube to deduct up to 24% sa mga creators total earning worldwide if and only if hindi tayo makapag-provide ng tax information. Ito yung bagong update ng YouTube. Bakit ba nangyayari ito? Because of the law or batas ng IRS or the Internal Revenue Services ng US, under the Chapter 3 of the US Internal Revenue Code, ni-require po ang Google na mag-collect ng tax info sa lahat ng monetizing creators outside US. Ibig sabihin, kailangan namang kumolekta ng tax ng Google dahil required siya ng batas. Now, if we fail to provide tax information before May 31st, they will need to deduct up to 24% of our total earnings. Will be total earnings kapag hindi tayo nag-provide ng information. Otherwise, kapag nakapag-provide tayo, ang ide-deduct lang sa atin is yung earnings natin na nakukuha natin from the US view. Kaya kailangan natin mag-submit ng tax information sa Adsense para ma-determine kung ano yung tamang halaga ng tax na dapat ikaltas sa atin. So again, let's dive in. Let's get started. Ituturo po natin sa inyo ang tamang pag-fill out ng form dito sa Google AdSense para sa update ng ating tax information. So first, you have to go to the Google AdSense login. You have to log in your account. After you log in your account, you have to go and look for Manage Tax Info. So once you receive this one, pinakamadaling way, kapag nakita nyo na tong part na to, yan. Same lang naman, you can go under Payments and Manage Settings or might as well just click on Manage Tax Info. Yun the easiest way on how to do it, to fill out the form. Now, makikita nyo dito sa right side, Add Tax Info. And then you will be routed to re-sign in or sign in dito sa page na to. So just type in your password and then click on next just to verify it's you for the security and protection of the account. Now, madali lang yung pag-fill out. Just follow the few steps. So just use individual. Kung di naman business ang inyong account, just click on individual. You would see your full name dyan. Then click on next. And then just answer it. Are you a resident or are you a citizen or a resident of US? Of course, you're not. So just click on no and then click on next. And then there are two forms available pa para sa atin. Number one is W-8BEN. This is for non-US individuals. So hindi individual account tayo. So click on that one. The other one is para yung W-8ECI is for business entity. So just forget about it because most of us are just individuals naman. So start W-8BEN form. Okay, just click on that. I hope you guys can follow. It's a very simple steps. Then after that, you would be routed to the next page wherein you already have a default for your name. Naka-default na yung name ninyo dyan, so wala na. Country of residence, forget about the DBA, doing business as, so it's not for us. And then just click on the country of residence, type P, so that you can get Philippines. So kung ano yung country of citizenship, ibig sabihin kung ano ang nationality mo. Country of citizenship, kahit nasa Singapore ka, if you're a Filipino, ang country of citizenship mo is Philippines. Kung ano yung nasa passport mo. Okay? Foreign PIN, this would mean kung ano yung tax identification number natin. This is provided to us by BIR. Yun po ang tax identification number natin. If you don't have it, you can acquire one. Just go to BIR nearest your place and ask at mag-apply po kayo ng tax identification number. Now, may nagtatanong kung paano kung walang tax because estudyante or let's say for example, wala tayong BIR, only SSS. Now, I couldn't answer that for now because hindi ako sure because meron tayong tax treaty relationship sa US. I'm not quite sure if they have access to verify if the tax identification number na provide natin is valid and accurate. May nakita akong isang vlog, hindi niya nilagyan because he is a student so hindi niya finilapan yan pero doon nga natin malalaman kung kung ikaw ay exempted because you're a taxpayer na sa country mo. Actually, he did not fill this up kasi wala siyang tax, so nag-go through naman. I'm not quite sure if SSS number will also gonna go through. Now, you can check your payslip sa mga hindi kabisado yung number, o kaya kung meron kayong mga form, BIR form na finilapan before, such as 2316 or 1901, 1904 na BIR form, just look into it. Makikita ninyo under tax identification number. So, it's a 12-digit number that you just have to type in. Diyan, just click on next. When you click on next, yun lang naman, just type in para makasave na kayo. Permanent residence address, just type in the address that you have in the Philippines. Especially if this is the same address na pre-provide ninyo sa inyong Google AdSense. So, kung pareho lang siya, might as well just provide the same address. Fill-upan ko lang. Fill out lang natin yung information. Postal code, kung walang postal code, just let it be kasi actually hindi tinatanggap yung ibang postal code. Even if I put 5 zeros, hindi siya tatanggapin. Metro Manila. So, hindi tinatanggap ang 0001121. So, hindi rin tinatanggap ang postal code natin. So, leave it that way, not necessarily. Click tick mailing address. Mailing address is the same as your residence address, right? Kung saan din pinadala yung PIN ninyo, most likely doon lang din siya. Then click on next. And then there are questions that we need to answer. Ito, tax treaty, ito yung sinasabi ko. The good news is that Philippines has a tax treaty relationship with US. So type nyo lang dyan, yes, you're claiming for the treaty, yan, with US. Click on that one and then choose the countries. Normally, these countries already has a tax treaty with US. So, piliin lang natin P for Philippines. Yan. The reason being for this is that, you know, meron tayong kasunduan with US na yung mga product at mga services will be taxed ng mas mababa compared dun sa mga walang tax treaty with US. So, there are 3 boxes na kailangan natin sagutan. Yung services, which is the Adsense, just click on that option, Article 8, Paragraph 1. Piliin yung pinakamababa, syempre 0% reduce rate. And then, just click on the agreement. Parang ano lang to, confirmation. And then, motion picture TV, just click on this one, Article 13. And then, of course, 15% reduce rate compared to 30%. So, piliin natin yung pinakamababa. Then, click on this one. Copyright YouTube and Google Play. So, same thing din naman. Same process lang naman. Napakadali lang. 15% reduce or the default. So, we want to be charged the reduce rate. Right? Click on this one and then click on next. Madali lang, guys. Sobrang click lang. Alright. So, ito yung document preview. So, ayan na. May mga PDF file yan. And then, I confirm that I have reviewed and generated tax documents to the best of my knowledge and believe they are true, correct, and complete. So, just click on next. And then certification. So, just put in your, you can read it. Of course, you have to read it. Okay? So, nabasa na rin naman natin siya. Just type in your name, the complete name on your account, not the YouTube channel, but the complete name. And then, are you the person listed in the signature section? So, ikaw ba to? Right? And then, type in yes. If not, or if you're using or if you're doing it on behalf of other, let's say signature should be the name of the person owning the Google account. Okay? If you are an attorney, an agent, attorney in fact, executor, guardian, parent, or power of attorney, click on this one. Okay? And then type your capacity, let's say your name and the relationship. Okay? If not, just tayo naman na tayo may-ari ng account natin. So, just click on that one. And then, click on next. Okay? Pag hindi ikaw, let's say they are minors, just type in and then put your name and, of course, your relationship with the name on the account. Now, next is activities and services performed in US and affidavit. Okay? So, dito naman may question siya, has the individual or entity identified in the tax identity section performed any activities and services for Google within US? So again, the answer is no because we're not within US. We're outside US. Alright, and then just click on the box and then status change affidavit. Okay, are you providing a tax info for new or existing payments profile that hasn't received payments or an existing payment profile that has previously received payments? So since we have received payments from YT before, and I am an existing payment profile holder, so I'm just gonna click on the second option. And then under penalties of perjury, ito yung kasunduan that if you're not providing correct information, you might be charged a perjury case. Alright? And then just click on submit. And this is, yeah, and this is the last part of it. Okay, so this one is actually, this is general, that you're gonna get to receive this status that says approved. Okay, so it will give you the date as to when you did it. So that's March 13 today, then your name, all right, and then the claim and all that. So that's it. That's how easy it is. Drop all your questions. I'll try to the best of my capacity, capabilities, and abilities to answer your questions. If I cannot answer the questions, I'll find answers for you and will ask someone else to answer it for you as well. This is how we manage our tax information. Drop me a comment. Once again, DynaMighters, always remember, never stop learning and keep educating yourself. Bye everyone, and see ya.